An important part of every homeowner's annual maintenance is winterizing their sprinkler system. Hi, I'm John, and this is my partner Dave. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Each autumnal equinox, we'll take you through how to solve common household issues. But we're not going to irrigate you by dribbling on. We're going to get to it. Before beginning work on our sprinkler system, it is important to turn off the controller. Simply turn it to the off position. Your controller might look different, and that's okay. Next, we'll turn off the valve to the sprinkler system. You don't have to turn off the valve to the entire house, just the sprinkler system. Next, we'll open the valve to allow air into the system. To do this, simply turn the two valves with your flathead screwdriver. Next, we'll drain the water from the internal line. This may take a while depending on how much water is in the line. Next, we'll turn all the valves to the off position and connect the 1/4-inch pneumatic adapter. Finally, it's time to charge up the air compressor and set the tool pressure to 80 psi. Then we'll connect the hose to the backflow preventer. And slowly open the valve until the check valve catches. Then we can open the valve to the sprinkler manifold. Next, we will open the valve to the first stage in the sprinkler manifold. Now it's time to strap on the Get To It brand 3D glasses included with your VHS cassette. So we can show you how this works using the latest state-of-the-art 3D technology. Next, we'll turn off the first sprinkler valve and turn on the second sprinkler valve. Make sure to pay close attention to your sprinklers while the remaining water is blown out of the line. Next, we'll turn off the second sprinkler valve and turn on the
third
sprinkler valve. Make sure to pay close attention to your sprinklers while the remaining water is blown out of the line. Next, we'll turn off the
third
sprinkler valve and turn on the
fourth
sprinkler valve. Make sure to pay close attention to your sprinklers while the remaining water is blown out of the line. Finally, we'll close the fourth valve. Next, we'll disconnect the compressor. Finally, we'll turn the valve 45 degrees to indicate the system has been winterized. Alternatively, you can affix a small amount of tape. Now your irrigation system will be ready for you next spring. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Get to It.